All right. So I've been in a planning meeting all day. We started at early this morning with our staff meeting. We're working hard to get our social media back and going. And then we got some orders on TikTok, and come to find out TikTok is not connected to Shopify. Shopify ain't talking to Poshmark. Poshmark is another app that we want to start selling on. So it's just been a long day. I have not had a chance to stop for breakfast, but of course, as you know, on this journey, I'm taking it down. So I got actually one more. This is my morning one, and it is 4 o'clock. So I'm gonna go ahead and do another drink. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up real quick. But it is a phenomenal honor to do what we do, right? One thing that I have learned, if I don't learn anything else, you do not pray to be successful, and then God makes you successful, and you complain. You don't get to complain. You get to strategize. So in your strategy, you work it out. And I did not bring, oh my God, I'm all out. Because my husband just drank it. So my husband loved the drink as well. So he drank my last one. It's okay. All is well. So I'm going to stop and get me a salad so I can have something to eat, because I'm already feeling like it's going to be a long night. Super long night. And listen, whew, I'm just breaking, keeping it together, because I feel like with my social media, it is so vital as a company. It's without no excuse. You have to do social media as an owner, as a business, as a company, as a brand, as an author, as a singer, as a writer, as anything. If you want anybody to buy what you are selling, you have to learn how to utilize social media. And so, like, I cut out all my little butterfly. I didn't cut these out, but I'm trying to get my back wall. So that was my plan. My plan was to come in social media. I had my whole agenda. Let me show y'all. I had a whole agenda for today to come in and get my whole social media studio. So I have a whole studio that we're building out. And just haven't been able to get to it. And because of so many other things that we as a team, that's the one thing that I am grateful for, that God has brought some amazing people to kind of help us with this social media and just the company overall. It is impossible to do this by yourself. But in the meanwhile, I gotta find me something to eat, because this is all my little for the whole day. But I do have a balance. But I like to end my day with balance, like around 6 o'clock. So I don't like to do balance midday. And y'all know midday balance is the fiber that fills your stomach up for the last meal of the day. And I walked out with no earrings. This is the first time, I think, in years that I've ever walked out with no earrings. So I'm sitting here like, I ain't got no earrings on. I ain't got no lipstick on. I came in for business for real. So I'm going to keep hammering at it. So listen, I'm going to encourage you. The Bible say, write the vision, make it plain. Everybody understand the vision so we can make it happen. We can make it come to pass, right? But let me say this. Don't get frustrated when everything don't go according to the vision of what you have. It's called life. In life, sometimes, not sometimes, a lot of times, if you leave a garden to itself, you don't have to worry if the weeds are coming. The weeds are coming. A great person who knows how to do great gardening knows how to pull the weeds out and knows how to garden around the beautiful roses. And my point is, Don't get frustrated. Plow through it. Plow through it. If, like right now, I got a staff member, I had a person come in, the floor has been busy, and thank you, Jesus, for the busyness. But I got somebody who's ready to go. No, we got to finish, because we're not done till we finish. We're not finished till we're done. And that's the type of people I want around me. And so you have to be very, 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 very careful. I'm talking to people who are out there trying to build a business. Build the team. Build the team and then build your business. Build the team and the business will be built. There's no such thing of building a business without building people around you. That's just how that go. Okay? So be encouraged. Like me, I'm encouraged. Because what I am going to do is I'm going to go back through my list with, because I got another, we're supposed to meet at 3 o'clock. It's now 4 something. And we just gonna hammer it out. And if I gotta stay to 10, I gotta stay to 10. Why? Because I gotta get this done. So in the meanwhile, I'm not gonna get no treats and no snacks. I'm gonna go find me a salad. I'm gonna sit down, take a break, and just be grateful. Be grateful. Be grateful that as you're growing, these are the challenges that make you stronger. Mr. Henry.
Yes, those are the challenges. Whatever this lady say is golden.
What you doing, Henry? Henry, where you going? What you doing?
Just wrapping some laundry records. You need me?
Yes. Okay, I'll wait. Everything is better when he's around, so I like him around me all the time. All the time. When stuff is broke, if Henry come in the room, automatically just start working. So I just like being in his presence. I really do. After 30-something years, we still like each other a whole lot. And I know I get on his nerve. Y'all pray for my husband. He get on my nerve too, but it's that good kind of getting on each other's nerve, child.